Price. The sharp-beaked groundfinch has learned that booby blood is the most reliable source of food and water around. In times of drought, these little vampires relentlessly peck at the base of wing and tail feathers for their daily requirements. Their sharp beak is an effective surgical tool. For adult boobies, these birds are a painful annoyance. For chicks, they can be deadly. A booby egg is another source of food and water for the tenacious sharp-beaked groundfinch. It takes considerable effort to break an egg, but the finch does not give up. Once opened, the egg provides a feast.